Welcome back to Monday. Monday in your world, weekend in my world. Yep, it's actually technically the weekend in the land of Hollywood. It's actually Saturday. Had most of Friday, well, half a day of Friday working on stuff. A little bit of time. Today's Saturday and tomorrow's going to be Father's Day, so fingers crossed I get quite a lot of time in the garage tomorrow. That's my plan and that's my request. Was hoping to be driving and a little test run, not stupid fast, but just at least first, second gear, just prove it moves. But we're not quite there yet. As I said, had half a day instead of a whole day yesterday. And then just, getting fuel fittings and things running. But anyway, let's show you where I've got to so far. So, whether you can see with the sunlight. Got the rad plumbed in, got a rad fan wired up. Got all the fuel pump and everything connected, but the connection into the fuel pump to the main feed to the fuel system wasn't quite right. I'd what you call bodged it. I've got some more fittings on the way and it started to leak. So I'm hoping the new fittings that will turn up today will cure that. So I can't start it up for you at the moment. I've got a little bit of a, if worst comes to the worst, over the weekend I still haven't got the fittings. But yeah, so we've got all the intercooler back on. Wiring's just laid on top of the engine still at the moment. Found a few more pipes. Once I got it running, I found a few little pipes that didn't connect up. I need a better hose for the waste dump valve. I think that goes straight to the inlet manifold because it's the only tube that's left. Oh, sorry guys. And yeah, I got the rad plumbed in. I got it up to sort of half temperature before I spotted the fuel leak. So I just cut it down and stopped it. As you can see, I've got a little bit of a water leak, but I think it's just a Jubilee clip that's not. Yeah, just need to tighten up a bit. So we can do that in a second. As always, Alfred's had the wrong size Jubilee clip, so I've had to go slightly oversized, but they do the job. And yeah, so that's it. So we'll mobiliser, so I had it running for a good couple of minutes. What we're going to do now is start plumbing some of the brakes in. I've just started to. I've got a brake bias valve, which we're going to fit somewhere in the car. I'm not too sure quite where yet. We'll see where it goes. And yeah, let's crack on and see how much brakes we can get plumbed in. And while we're waiting for fuel fittings. Okay, how are we getting on? Wow, fuel fittings arrived. So hopefully I think I've got a slight little leak there on the weeping, but I fixed the output side, the high pressure side, which is the main thing. And yeah, just trying to check stuff at the moment, just making sure we've got no leaks. As I said, yeah, a little bit weeping. I need to see if I can just nip them up a little bit. No reason for them to be leaking. Okay, and then we started on the plumbing for the brakes, feeding along under the door bar, and then we're going to have, I don't know if you can see it, adjustable valve just down there bolted through the inner wing. Not so I can adjust it while I'm driving, but at least it's there. I don't have to lift bonnets up or anything like that, but it's out of the way. You don't really need to do stuff like that. But anyway, I'll just show you what we've got going on. Fuel pump primes. End of today. Damo popped over. and neatly pot riveted those pipes down. Cheers, Damien. All brakes connected up, plumbed in, and bled. We do have brakes now. Obviously a couple of little leaks tightened up. We'll just have to see how it goes in case there's any more leaks. But yeah, we have brakes. So we've got brakes. I also checked the clutch as well. I've basically jacked the whole car up so it's basically able to run. We've got it in first gear, wheels span. So that's good as well. So we've got brakes, we've got clutch. We've got an engine acceleration. So we need to strap some of the wiring down in the morning. Rear hub nuts, got to do them up. Pop the wheels on. I've just started cutting the A panels a bit more. Just need to finish up a little bit of the inner wings, and we'll just pop the seat back in for now just to test it, and then yeah, we'll go for a drive tomorrow up and down the yard. So yeah, alright guys, in your world it'll be seconds, but in my world it's going to be a night, and I can't wait. Come back, test drive tomorrow, Father's Day. Welcome back, Father's Day. Got a few lists of jobs to do before we see if the car moves. Yeah, there are only lots of little jobs, so we'll get cracking on them and yeah, get going. Can't remember where I ended the video last time, but we've basically got brakes now. All the brakes are working, plumbed in, ABS bypassed, well, ABS removed. Yeah, sorry, just checking I was recording. Yeah, ABS, clutch works, got into first gear, wheels all went, well, to a certain extent because of the diffs. Yeah, it's all good. So let's get these button jobs done and see if it moves. Raised the back one a couple of inches. I've gone with the prop shaft and knew it was going to be quite close. There's something not, as I said, there's differences between the prop shafts, between the turbos and non-turbos. Well, there you have it then. I think that's a good ending to this episode. We raised the rear suspension a couple of inches. Arches could do with coming down once I put them on, but it's life, you know. The arches will be functional. Found a little leak on the brakes, fixed that, tightened that up. As I said, raised the back end. We had a bit of an issue. We still have a little issue with the prop shaft, just touching. So something's not quite right between that, but it's not bad. Once it's the initial pickup, it just taps a bit, but then it goes once you start going. And yeah, then Nathan's started tidying up some of the wiring. The next thing to do is get the dash in. And yeah, so we're going. So it's good. Hasn't got up to temperature, or it still hasn't overheated yet for the fan to kick in. So I'm sort of surprised about that, but you know, we're not even getting out of first gear. This little space we've got. It's quite a rough ground, so I'm quite happy with, you know, no knocks and bangs. Drives quite nice just for the few meters that we've done. So what else? Yeah, raised the suspension, locked up some things. Need to order some more wheel nuts because I stupidly only ordered 12, and this has 5 per wheel. Seat could do with going back, but it's not completely uncomfortable. It's just a pain in the arse to try and actually get in. But again, got to live with it for now. That's for sure. I can't do much. And yeah. So again, thanks for all my mates that have been helping me. Jimbo, Jerry, even. It's been a while since he's touched cars. Nathan, Damien. You've all come over. You've all done a bit, helped me do little bits, to the point where I think we've got enough success now that we can nearly make this Friday. And yeah, and thanks for all the people's advice. So hopefully we'll see a bit more video and a bit more of it running at the end of the week when we've got a bit more space to stretch its legs. But yeah, I think we can maybe do it. We'll just see how this week goes. But yeah, we've got 4 days now. Ready for race wars. So hopefully everyone's enjoying it. Hopefully it sounds good. And let's crack on. Alright, cheers guys. See you soon.